This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 18. These series are specially designed for the CSS students to prepare their MCQs portion of the subjects, because they often feel difficulty to prepare the MCQs and they often left it on chance. But if you follow this series, I'm sure you will be able to cover the maximum syllabus for the preparation of MCQs as well. And other students who are appearing for PMS or any other job test through FPSC or PPSC can also get benefit from these series. So this video is regarding the MCQs of Khilafat movement, and it is very important video. This whole video is very important because Khilafat movement is one of the important topic in syllabus. So must watch this video, watch it completely. First MCQ: for the protection of Khilafat, Muslims organized themselves in India under the leadership of, options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Hakim Ajmal and Dr. M.A. Ansari, Maulana Shaukat Ali. So the correct answer is Hakim Ajmal and M.A. Ansari. Okay, Muslims organized themselves under the leadership of Hakim Ajmal and M.A. Ansari for the protection of Khilafat. Under Hakim Ajmal and Dr. M.A. Ansari launched conference. Options are Liaquat, Head, Qaid, Khilafat. So the correct answer is Khilafat. They launched a Khilafat conference. Khilafat committee was set up to, options are conduct movement for the institution of Qaid, conduct movement for the safeguard of the institution of leader, conduct movement for the institution of Naib, conduct movement to safeguard the institution of Khilafat. So fourth is the right option here. Khilafat committee was set up to conduct movement to safeguard the institution of Khilafat. When Khilafat deputation met the Viceroy to appraise him of the sentiments of the Indian people on the dismemberment of the Turkey. Options are 18 January 1920, 19 January 1920, 20th January 1920, 21st January 1920. So the correct answer is 19 January 1920. Second is the right option here. Khilafat delegation was headed by, options are Dr. Bukhari, Dr. Tabrizi, Dr. M.A. Ansari, Dr. Puri. So correct answer is Dr. M.A. Ansari. Khilafat delegation was headed by Dr. M.A. Ansari. Majlis Khadme Kaaba was set up on, options are December 1919. I think all the options are same here. Okay, so the correct 2nd December 1919, 3rd December 1919, 4th December 1919, 5th December 1919. Second is the right option here, which is on 3rd December 1919. Majlis Khadme Kaaba was set up on 3rd December 1919. 7th MCQ: when 15,000 Muslims assembled in Bombay and Khilafat committee was formed. Options are 18th March 1919, 19th March 1919, 20th March 1919, 21st March 1919. So the correct answer here is 20th March 1919. 15,000 Muslims assembled in Mumbai and Khilafat committee was formed on 20th March 1919. Who was elected first president of the Khilafat committee? Options are Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Said Jain Muhammad Chotani, Qaid-e-Azam. So the correct answer is Said Jain Muhammad Chotani. All India Khilafat Committee was set up in, options are Agra, Delhi, Bombay, Kanpur. So the correct answer is Bombay. Who was appointed first secretary of All India Khilafat Committee? Options are Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Said Jain Muhammad Chotani, Liaquat Ali Khan. So the correct answer is Maulana Shaukat Ali. Maulana Shaukat Ali was appointed as the first secretary of All India Khilafat Committee. The Treaty of Sevres divided Ottoman Empire on, Options are April 1920, May 1920, June 1920, July 1920. This is important MCQs, and the answer is May 1920. On May 1920, the Treaty of Sevres divided the Ottoman Empire. These MCQs can also be asked in a different way. The MCQs can be related to the name of a treaty, that which treaty divided the Ottoman Empire. So the answer would be Treaty of Sevres. When Khilafat Committee sends delegation under the leadership of Maulana Johar in UK to appraise British government about the sentiments of the people. Options are 20th November 1919, 21st November 1919, 22nd November 1919, 23rd November 1919. So the correct answer is 23rd November 1919. Khilafat Committee sent its delegation under the leadership of Maulana Johar in UK to appraise the British government about the sentiments of the people on 23rd November 1919. Okay, now when Khilafat delegation left Bombay for England, options are February 1920, March 1920, April 1920, May 1920. So the correct answer is March 1920. They left the Bombay to went in England in March 1920. What was the name of the magazine which was started from London to project the views of Khilafat delegation? Options are Khilafat Outlook, Indians Outlook, Ottoman Outlook, Muslim Outlook. So the correct answer is Muslim Outlook. Okay, it is about the name of the magazine. So the name of magazine is Muslim Outlook, which was started in London to project the views of Khilafat delegation. The Khilafat delegation held a meeting with which British PM which proved useless? Options are Lord Curzon, Stafford Cripps, Lord George, Lord Minto. So the correct answer is Lord George. Okay, the Lord George was a British Prime Minister with which the Khilafat delegation held a meeting which proved useless. The Hindu supported Khilafat movement under the leadership of, options are Nehru, Gokhale, Gandhi, Gopalacharya. So the correct answer is Gandhi. Congress adopted non-corporation program and later reaffirmed at Nagpur session on, options are December 1919, December 1920, December 1921, December 1922. So the correct answer is December 1920. Second is the right option here, December 1920. In December 1920, Congress adopted the non-corporation program and later reaffirmed at Nagpur session. Reaffirmed on Nagpur session. Which Muslim leader was not in favor of Gandhi's non-corporation program? Options are Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan, Maulana Johar. So the correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam was not in favor of the Gandhi's non-corporation movement or non-corporation program. When Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the Congress party, options are April 1919, April 1920, April 1921, April 1922. So the correct answer is April 1920. It is important MCQ. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the Congress party on April 1920. When Jamiat-e-Ulama Hind convened a meeting and fatwa of Tarke Muawalat was issued on. Okay, options are 5 September 1920, 6 September 1920, 7 September 1920, 8 September 1920. So the correct option here is 6 September 1920. On this date of 6 September 1920, the Jamiat-e-Ulama Hind convened a meeting and they issued a fatwa of Tarke Muawalat. What was the result of Tehreek-e Tarke Muawalat? Options are educated Hindus left government jobs, educated Sikhs left government jobs, educated Muslims left government jobs. So fourth is the right option here, which constituted of A and C options, means educated Hindus and educated Muslims left the government job. So fourth is the right option here. So the result of Tehreek-e-Tark-e-Mawlat was the options of A and C. Fourth is the right option here. Who issued fatwa that India was a Darul Harb? Options are Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Maulana Abdul Kalam and Maulana Abdul Bari Liaquat Ali Khan. So the correct answer here is Maulana Abdul Kalam and Maulana Abdul Bari, and it is also an important MCQs that India was declared as Darul Harb, and this fatwa was issued by Maulana Abdul Kalam and Maulana Abdul Bari. Who declared British government as an infidel government no longer to be obeyed? Options are Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Johar, Allama Iqbal, Aga Khan. So the correct answer is Muhammad Ali Johar. Muhammad Ali Johar declared the British government as an infidel government and no longer to be obeyed. With issuance of the fatwa, how many Indian Muslims migrated to Afghanistan? Options are 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. So the correct answer is 8,000. 8,000 Indian Muslims migrated to Afghanistan after the issuance of fatwa. Who were Moplas of Malabar Shore? Options are African tribes, Indonesian tribes, Indian tribes, Arabian tribes. So the correct answer here is Arabian tribes. Arabian tribes were the Moplas of Malabar shores. Arabian tribes is the right answer here. Moplas invited Britishers' annoyance by taking part in movement. Options are Shadi movement, Aligarh movement, Khilafat movement, Deoband movement. So the correct answer here is Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement. Okay, the Moplas joined the Khilafat movement, due to which the Britishers got annoyed. Okay. Gandhi intended to begin his civil disobedience movement in, it is also an important MCQ, so listen it carefully. Gandhi intended to begin his civil disobedience movement in, options are 1920, 1922, 1924, 1926. So the correct answer is 1922. Second is the right option here, which is 1922. Gandhi intended to begin his civil disobedience movement in 1922. From where civil disobedience movement began? Options are Muradabad, Ghazipur, Fatehpur, Chauri Chaura. So the correct answer here is Chauri Chaura. It is also an important MCQ. The civil disobedience movement began from Chauri Chaura. When people of Chauri Chaura took out procession and refused to pay taxes to government. Options are 2nd February 1922, 3rd February 1922, 4th February 1922, 5th February 1922. So the correct answer here is 4th February 1922. Who called off non-corporation movement? Options are Nehru, Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali. So the correct answer is Gandhi. It is also an important MCQ and often asked in papers as well. So Gandhi was the person who called off the non-corporation movement. Which Turkish leader abolished the institution of Khilafat? Options are Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, Sultan Abdul Majid, Mustafa Jamal Atatürk, Sultan Abdul Sajid. So the correct answer here is Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk was a Turkish leader which abolished the institution of Khilafat. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk abolished which government in Turkey? Options are Communist, Nationalist, Islamic, both B and C. So second is the right option here, which is Nationalist. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk abolished the nationalist government in Turkey. When institution of Khilafat was abolished? It is also important MCQ. Options are 1st November 1923, 2nd November 1924, 3rd November 1925, 4th November 1926. So the correct answer is 1st November 1923. First is the right option here. which is 1st November 1923. The institution of Khilafat was abolished on 1st November 1923. Which movement caused hardships to poor people who responded to the call by the ulama to migrate from India? Options are Khilafat movement, Hijrat movement, Agra movement, Nadwa movement. So the correct answer here is Hijrat movement. Okay, Hijrat movement was the movement which caused hardship to the poor people who called to the options of migration. Okay. Whose action of calling of the non-corporation movement was a setback to the Khilafat movement? Options are Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Motilal Nehru, Agra Nath. So the correct answer here is Gandhi. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. Just pause the video here and solve these questions, and share your marks in the comment section. The purpose of these questions is just to know that you have properly memorized or have understood the MCQs. So don't consider it as a burden, but you can take it as an opportunity to solve this as a test, just to know how much you have improved in MCQs preparation for the job exam. So take it seriously. Thank you so much.